A good toolkit helps to make sure that the right tools are at the job site when you need to complete an upgrade or perform a repair. You have the option to select from hundreds of tool choices available from our huge inventories to create a kit that will meet your specific objectives. Tool cases, pallets, and foam with cutouts are available separately to create your custom toolkit. To streamline this procedure, we recommend that you start out with our basic fiber optic toolkit. The basic toolkit provides you with the basic cleaning supplies and tools that our large customer base has requested over the years. Some of the items you will find in the basic kit include fiber optic tri-hole strippers, Kevlar shears, buffer tube strippers, round cable slitters, side cutting and needle nose pliers, as well as many other helpful and useful tools. With the addition of specialized items, you can convert your basic kit into a specialty toolkit that will allow you to get your job done quickly and efficiently. Some of the pre-configured specialty kits we offer include Fusion Splicing Toolkit, Connectorization Toolkit for epoxy-style connectors, Power Meter and Light Source Toolkit, and other special kits like the Hot Melt Toolkit, Anaerobic Toolkit, and Fiber Lock Toolkit. Our sales representatives will provide you with any assistance you may require. Quantity discounts are available. Contact Fiber Instrument Sales on the phone or go to our website at fiberinstrumentsales.com.